Example 2. Find f-x of ax cube where a is a constant using first principles. Solution. Using first principles, we know that f of x plus h equals a times x plus h raised to the power 3. Substituting the values, we get, expanding the cubic term, we get, multiplying out the brackets, we get, taking out the common factor h, dividing the numerator and denominator by h, provided h does not equal 0, we get, therefore f-x equals 3ax squared.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. And let the math finally start mathing.